Hey everyone, it's Rick. I'm here in the Penske Racing Museum in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's go take a walk. If you live near Phoenix and like cars or auto racing, this place needs to be on your list. When I was a kid, I remember Rick Mears winning the Indy 500, and the car he was driving is right here. The museum isn't very big, but what it lacks in quantity, it makes up for in quality with 5 Indy winning cars, 1 Daytona 500 winning car, race cars that have won their respective national championships, and even a convertible that was used as the pace car at the Indy 500. I'll post a link below with the hours and location, though it's very easy to find right on Scottsdale Road, just south of the 101 loop in North Scottsdale. It's inside the Penske dealership, where many of the vehicles they have for sale are some of the coolest cars of modern times. This 775 horsepower yellow Ford Fusion was driven by Joey Logano to victory at the Daytona 500 in 2015. Needless to say, it's not exactly the same Ford Fusion you can drive off the dealership's lot. This is one of those places I like to save for summertime when it's too hot to do much outside, paired with lunch at some pretty good restaurants in the area and a Harkins Theater. You could even match this up with a trip to the Musical Instrument Museum just a few miles away, or hike in the McDowell Sonoran Preserve. This 72 Cutlass convertible served as the 1972 Indy 500 pace car. Something I learned while I was here is that the pace car is awarded to the winner of the respective Indy 500 race at its conclusion. This would be a fun car to have. I've been here a few times, and it's never busy, though I'm told that when the Barrett-Jackson Auto Auction is in town, it gets a lot more traffic from car enthusiasts. Stop by and check out these amazing vehicles, and let me know in your comments what you thought. Here's another Rick Mears driven Indy 500 winner from 1991, which ran an average qualifying speed of 224 miles an hour. One of the nicest things about this museum is that it's 100% free. So if you've got the time, come pay a visit to some of the biggest history-making vehicles of the last 50 years. A visit will probably take you no more than 30 minutes, so add it to another one of your adventures in the area. I really hope you enjoyed this visit to the Penske Racing Museum. If you find yourself in the area, don't miss a chance to stop by and check out the collection of vehicles here. Thank you very much.